Hello and welcome. So from next videos, we are going to make a mobile application which is a QR code reader, or we can also call it as a barcode reader as well. So it's a simple app that would just read your QR code, and whatever the message that is there in the QR code, it will just tell you. So let me just quickly show you how our application would look like. So UI is very simple. It will just have one button. If you click on that button, it would open the camera. From that, you need to scan any QR code. So once you scan the QR code, you would see the message here, whatever that message that is in that QR code. So if you don't have any QR code, you can simply generate using any website. So I'll go to this website, that is the QRCodeGenerator.com, and here I would type any message. So let me just type a message here at DCDJunkie. Okay, and here you can see the QR code is immediately generated. So now let me just try to scan this QR code and see whether it works or not. So that's our mobile application, and let me just try to put it here. Now I will click on scan, so it should launch the camera. So now I'm just trying to scan this code. So after scanning this code, I can see the messages here, that is DCDJunkie. So our application is working fine. Now let me just quickly just change this message to something else and see whether it actually works or not. So I would write here, let's say mobile app development with MIT App Inventor. Okay, so this is the message that is there in this QR code. Now let me just try to scan this QR code and see whether it works or not. So I would just click on scan, and I will again scan this QR code from my mobile, and the QR code is scanned, and here I can see the message is there, mobile app development with MIT App Inventor. So our application is working fine. So from next video, let's just try to make this application. So we'll see you there. Thank you.